In this video, I want to show you how to delete all user codes on this lock. Okay, this is the Schlage FE595 keypad lock. So if you want to delete all user codes on this lock, the first step is to enter your programming code. That's a 6-digit code. Okay, you want to wait for 3 orange lights and 3 beeps, and now hit the Schlage button. Okay, press 6. Enter your programming code again. Okay, you're gonna hear a long beep and see a green flash here, meaning all user codes have been removed from this lock. Okay, so that's how to remove all user codes. And if you want to set a new code, the first step is to enter your programming code. Okay, wait for 3 orange lights and 3 beeps. Now hit the Schlage button. Okay, press 1. Enter your new code. 4 digits, so mine here is going to be 1166. Enter the code again. Alright, you're going to hear a long beep and see a green flash here, meaning your new code has been added. So let's test it. Okay, the code is active. So that's how to delete all user codes on this lock and set new codes. And this lock allows you to add up to 19 user codes, so you can repeat the steps to add more user codes. Okay, so that's it. I hope this video helps you, and if so, please consider subscribing to my channel for more videos like this. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.